Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a smiley face and choose natural feel, which is a color that I really like. Um, oh, sorry, the natural feel, which is part of Kyle's paint box, which is a paintbrush I really like. You can choose whatever you want, obviously, and I'm just gonna. Oh, I'm gonna choose this pink color, and I'm just gonna draw a circle. I love how there's like these edges that make it look really natural. Um, and there's other brushes that also do this. Um, but I do like this one a lot. It makes it look really fuzzy. And then I'm just gonna create a new layer um, to draw the face. And the reason why I do that is because um, like maybe I might change my mind about the face, and it just makes it easier for me to erase it later on and try again. Okay, you can see the eyes don't look very good with that brush. So I'm gonna choose something a bit sharper. So maybe this sharp inker here. It's a size 9, which is actually working pretty nicely. If I wanted to change the brush size, I just go in here and change it. So the way I did that is I choose the brush and then, whoops, I'm making dots. And then just go in here and change the size. I think I'll do size 10 maybe. Okay, let's try again. That's not bad. Um, there we go. Like to have a nice face. Yeah, that's cute. It looks like a little mochi almost. And then I just want to group this so that they're together. So I just want to click on the face there, and then I will just hold it and then put it on top of the circle, and then you can see that it's created this nice group here. So now I can move it around, and I know that everyone's gonna move in the same place.